Hey everyone, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits. This is BMC117. This is the Simple Square Wave VCO. This is my first ever VCO design and I'm very excited about it. As you can see, it's really small. It's just a square wave. It has coarse and fine controls for the frequency and then a control voltage input that can be attenuated. And then our only inputs are a 1 volt per octave input, the control voltage input, and a single output. So it's about as simple as you can get with a VCO while still having some functionality to it. And the goal was to make something that would be easy to build for newbies and also something really compact if you're trying to expand your system and you just need a lot of VCOs that you're going to be filtering or doing something with where you don't need every feature of a VCO, you just need a lot of voices. But yeah, it's digital. It responds to a limited amount of control voltage. It's about 8 volts of response to it. So let me set this to the lowest frequency. So this would be our lowest frequency here, and then that's our highest frequency. So if you're just using this as an audio VCO rather than creating a high frequency clock for something or using it as like a very low LFO, this should be a pretty good range for most musical uses. And our fine knob just has a smaller range of adjustment, so if you're trying to match the frequency to something else, that gives you a little more control. And then let's input an LFO for the CV. And yeah, that's basically all the features. I'm gonna also try to do a video on calibration for this, since that's something that can be very intimidating to new builders, and part of the design was to make that as simple as possible. It's just a single trim pot, so look for that as well. Yeah, thank you for watching.